Hi, today we'll show you how we at Fora Soft help existing projects fix issues and implement enhancements step by step. The very first thing is a thorough code review. Our development team carefully examines your current code base so that they could see what's working well and what needs fixing. They analyze the issues and assess the scope of required improvements so that we could give you an accurate estimate for the work ahead. If your application requires any new features, we ask our analysts to gather and clarify requirements, making sure we fully understand what we need to build. Once the contract is signed, our sales specialist connects with the head of project management to assign a project manager for your product. We make sure that this is someone whose experience matches your needs. We then introduce you to each other at a kickoff meeting. This meeting focuses on reviewing the current state of your project, discussing challenges, and setting goals for moving forward. From there, your project manager assembles a team tailored for you. Developers, analysts who created your user stories and wireframe, designers, QA specialists, and a DevOps engineer. Next, the team reviews all the requirements together. The analyst presents the full documentation, and the team clarifies any details. We carefully plan the development process, deciding which feature to build first based on priorities and technical dependencies. By the way, we have a separate video on priorities and how we at Fora Soft work with requirements. Check it out in the link down below. After planning, our development team designs your system architecture, which is reviewed and approved by the internal committee. They make sure that everything adheres to our standards. Meanwhile, the entire team breaks down the requirements into detailed tasks in Jira. We identify edge cases and set clear project timeline with milestones and release dates. We visualize the plan as a Gantt chart and share it with you, so that you could easily track the progress. Once development begins, each developer is assigned a specific task, and we move into daily stand-up meetings. Every morning, the team shares updates, plans, and any blockers. At the end of each week, your project manager sends you a status report, which summarizes what's been done, what's on the plan, and any questions or concerns to your attention. Every 2 to 4 weeks, you will receive an interim build so that you could test, provide feedback, and suggest improvements if you want to. Our infrastructure includes several environments. Developers use the development server, and features are being tested on a test server. Once verified, we promote the build to a demo server, where you can interact with your product. And for the final stage, we use a pre-production environment with real user data, so that we could test everything once again before going live. When it's time to launch, our DevOps team automates deployment to production, usually during the low traffic hours to avoid disruption. Your project manager prepares a release package with full documentation and a changelog, so you know exactly what's new. So that's how we manage projects at Fora Soft. Transparent, collaborative, and focused on your success every step of the way. Let's build something great together.